So, bet you wouldn't think you'd see me again, huh? Well, it's fucking Christmas, okay? 21Gaming is back. You son of a bitch. I have returned. Hey guys, 21Gaming here. A lot has changed, such as my clothes. I'm wearing pajamas. This is the Master Chief. Yeah, that's right. I'm bringing the fucking big guns this time. Okay, so, as you already know, this is going to be a toy review. Christmas toy review. All the shit I got from Santa. Santa is the best one. I'm telling you. Durr Burger. That's what I'm talking about. Durr Burger from Fortnite. The realest goddamn plushie in the world. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Alright. Now then, to get into some real shit here. We got Alien from Alien. This is the Cracker Alien. Again, once again, Cracker Alien is back at it in this box here. Let's crack her open here. Okay, it took fucking forever, but I got it done. We're here with the Cracker Alien here. The original suit from the movie was supposed to be white, but then they scrapped it because it wouldn't work for the movie. Now this is very nice. He's a drone, the name Big Chap from the first Alien movie. It's like a big old bug, like a big old bug. Like a big old bug. Look at this. Yeah, he's a little. He's new, so you know. Gotta give him a minute. Oh, look at that. Doggy, knock it off. The dog is rolling around on the floor right now. She's acting. Oh, look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cracker Alien, back at it. You're white. You're white. Oh, you can see his eyes. Ooh. Scary, scary, scary. Why is the dog doing that? Hey, chill out. Sorry. All right, next up, ladies and gentlemen, we got Jaga, Roomnai, and a Spartan from Halo Infinite. This is what I've been waiting for. Halo Infinite. Yeah, because Halo Infinite's going to come out in fucking fall of next year. So you better put out the toys a year in advance. Oh, God. Okay, so we got Jaga here. He's got a sword for an arm. What is that? Holy shit. He can stab people with his arm. And then, of course, a regular sword that's fucking red. He's a black and red elite. Come on. They don't get cooler than that. That's like the coolest thing 343 has ever made. Jesus Christ. And now, oh my God, hold on. And Okay, there we go. The Mark 7. We finally brought it in. Mark 7. Sorry, Spartan. Yeah, Mark 7. Mark 7, Spartan 4s. Are they Spartan 5s now? I feel like it's probably Spartan 4s. I feel like they have a need for remaking the Spartans. I mean, they've got Mark 7, but I mean, come on. It seems to be a bit of a hard gun to get him to hold. But I mean, who's going to win in a fight? Some blue motherfucker. Or Jaga Rumna with a red energy sword. I mean, he does have a gun, so... Oh, shit. Okay. All right. Next up. Boom, baby. More aliens, bitch. In the house. You can crack it open. Alien with egg. We did it, ladies and gentlemen. It comes with egg. And baby. Oh, little baby. Look at that. It's a worm. Okay, so we got all that. Oh. So there's the baby. It's a little worm. I don't think it does much moving. I think it's supposed to, though. I think it's supposed to be bendable. Not this part, though. Look at that tiny little worm baby from Aliens. I love that. That turns into that big fuck. Here's a face hugger. Gross motherfucker. Look at this. Look at that. He's gonna jump up on your face and face hug you. You stupid asshole. Let's get you out, hey. Hey guys, 21Gaming here. I don't know what just happened, but my video got deleted. I don't know what it is. So I'm going to take a new one here. This alien with the opposable tail. Got nice opposable arms. Although this arm doesn't move much. They're kind of locked in a certain motion. That's because it's a collector's item. You know, the mouth opens like that. Got a nice tail. Opposable legs. Alright, let's get back to the regular video now. Sorry about that, everybody. So... this one isn't much of a mystery, as it kind of shows it in there, but let's get it out anyway. Alright, so here we got a little xenomorph posable figure, a little tiny man. Got a tail, posable tail. Oh, nice articulation on the feet. Claw hands, let's go. Oh! Woo! Comes with egg, as per the usual. It doesn't open. Okay, that's okay. Yeah, you might notice this one's kind of damaged. I guess that's just how Santa got it at Target. Yeah, I think Santa must have opened it, not noticing that I was supposed to open it in a video because I'm stupid. I mean, nothing. Yeah, it's Ripley! Sigourney Weaver. Our first ever celebrity guest, Sigourney Weaver. Everybody say hi to Sigourney Weaver in the YouTube video. Yeah, look at this shit. It is it's a rifle with a flamethrower on it. In case you didn't think that was cool or fucking enough. Look at that. Look at this stupid sack of shit. He's all just, yeah. Yeah, I'm sure he was. Okay, anyway. We've got Halo Mystery Pack. You know how it goes. I open this shit and then cry about not getting the cool one. Because we're literal children on this channel. And we have no... Are you kidding me? Right as I said we didn't get the cool one, I got the cool one. Merry goddamn Christmas. Holy shit. the invisible one with the goddamn battle rifle. Although it's the old battle rifle from Halo 5, which doesn't make very much sense. But we're going for it. Look at that. I cannot believe we got the rarest one. Actually, it's not the rarest one, but it's close enough. Oh my god, that's crazy. Oh, and it's a common. Oh my god, look at him. Look at that. All right. We also got this one and this one, Elite and Spartan. All right. Now our little mini section that took way too fucking long is over. Oh my god. Almost there. Look at that. Good lord. It's a goddamn warthog with a Master Chief in it. Now I have 2 chiefs. You could just say I'm fucking awesome. Assembly required. Uh-oh, folks. Hey, there it is. The Warthog. Oh, wait, I'm not done yet. What am I doing? Still got a little bit of stuff here to put on it. The antenna. The Warthog canisters. I see. It's like goddamn Legos all over again. All right, Chief. Now it's time for you to get behind the wheel. You look a little scrunched there, Chief. All right, that's okay. We're bringing in another Chief with an assault rifle to go in the passenger seat. Hey, and then to finish it off, we got Blue Dude on the turret. If I can fit in his weird little hands. There we go. Vroom, vroom. Oh no! Oh no! They died forever. And they went. He fucking died. Stupid. But yeah, it's actually quite impressive here. Got quite the thing going on here. I got 2 chiefs, like in campaign. It's pretty accurate to what I'm assuming is in the game. I was told that this turret was supposed to swivel, but it doesn't do much swiveling. All right, time for the grand fucking finale. It's big boy time. And when I say big boy time, I mean it. Holy shit! What the fuck? Why are they so big? Why are they so damn big? I don't know. I don't goddamn know. It's time to tear the shit open. All right. right, so we got the red Spartan here, whatever gun that is. Jesus, these things are big. The Marine who doesn't want to keep the gun in his hand for some reason. Tanaka from Halo 5. Oh. But don't forget about the one, the only, Master Chief. Oh, he holds the gun perfect. This is really good. Like, look at this. Fully opposable. Oh my god, it's ginormous. This is great. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. 21 Gaming. We're running from